It's a 12-day advent calendar. This is by Benefit. If you want to see what's inside, then keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. Today we're going to look at a Benefit advent calendar. So I'm really excited about this. I got this one off Look Fantastic. The cost was £58 and you are meant to get £125 and 2 pence value. So will we? It doesn't feel very heavy. I got a few items from Benefit which I kind of like. It's alright, not too bad, not too shabby. Before I get into the unboxing of that and look and see what we've got in our advent calendar, just like to remind you that I do have a ROCCABOX mystery box for the October giveaway. I will leave the link down below. If you haven't already entered, please check it out. And also, if you like these kind of videos, we do unboxings on here. We do everything from clothes, fashion, makeup, trying to put makeup on, beauty, advent calendars. So if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. It is much appreciated. Okie dokie, so who doesn't like an advent calendar? I've also got a NYX on its way, so I'll be unboxing that shortly, but for now let's just concentrate on this. So let me just tell you how gorgeous is this little box. Different, not your usual square sort of box, so I really kind of like this. It opens at the back here, it's got a little flip, and then here are all your goodies inside. Okay, so we're going to start with door 1. So this is where I pray I do not mess up this video, because obviously once these doors are open there's no going back. So this video is going to be recorded whether it's good or bad, I'm afraid, or it's going to be uploaded, I should say. So already I'm in trouble trying to get the first item out. This is a Hula Benefit something or other. So that's what it looks like. Quite cute packaging, and inside I'm going to use my wisdom here and assume that is a blusher. Okay. Oh, this might be a little bit light for me. Barely see it. It's on there somewhere. Yeah, you can see it now. Okay, I'll try it. It's very tiny. And then on to door number 2. I hope you don't need me to hold the calendar up every time I go into it. I know a lot of the girls do, and they look like they're in agony. Oh my gosh. So just trying to get the next item out of the little box, which is proving somewhat quite difficult. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to see if I can open the top and just slide out the plastic. No, I can't do that because I don't know what numbers they are. Actually, it goes in order. There you go. Problem solved. Right, I'm going to lift the whole thing out and we're going to do it that way. So the next item we have here is Vvalue. So I'm assuming this is some sort of mascara. I've never used this before. In fact, I don't think I own a Benefit mascara. Looks quite good. Nice brush on that. Formula is black. And it is quite flexible. That brush is quite flexible. So yeah, can't comment on it because I've never tried it, but I will look forward to trying it. Number 3, we have this. Whatever this is. This is, what is this? Oh, it's a brow pencil. Perfect. Comes like that, and it's the twizzly up one, which I really, really like. So you're not running around trying to find a pencil sharpener. Oopsie. And mine doesn't work for some reason. There's no product coming out on that at all. Oh, maybe a little bit there. Yeah, not a good start. I've heard really good things about these, so I maybe just need to play with it a little bit. Right, number 4. Door number 4. We've got another one of these. This looks like it's going to be a blush. So I'm assuming the colour, is that Dandelion is the colour? Probably. Let's have a look if I can open it. Oh, it's a pretty colour, but again, this may be a little bit too light for me. And then inside, it's a pretty colour, no doubt about it. Can you see anything? Okie dokie, so that's the first lot done. Let's go into the second. This will be door number 5. Okie dokie. Oh, looks like we've got another brow product. These are so difficult to get out of the packaging, I can't tell you. So this is it here. So what is it? It is a 24-hour brow setter. Ooh. Again, I've heard really good things about this as well. Love the brush. It's flat and then it has these comby bits sticking up. So again, I've never tried this before, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. It looks like it's a clear formula, so I look forward to trying that. Right, so that was number 5. We have number 6. Oh my god. So this is the Professional Hydrate primer. Do you like these? I've tried this before and I really do like it. So I look forward to trying that. Let's just see if this has got any colour to it. Got a nice safety seal on it. And yeah, it's got a slight colour. It's like tint, but it's really nice. I like it. So that's probably my favourite first product that we've got so far. So not number, so 5, 6, right, number 7, got, looks like another mascara. This is called the Roller Lash. I've heard of this mascara, but again, I do not own one. Oh, I like the brush on that as well. It kind of dips, like there's a curve on it. It's quite nice. Okie dokie. And that is in black. We're on door number 8. This is another Pore Professional. This is the Pore Primer, which I've tried, which I love. So we all probably have heard of this before. If we haven't heard of Benefit, we've probably heard of this product. Okay. God, it looks like we've got yet another mascara. This is called Bad Girl Mascara. I've heard about this one before. It's meant to be really, really good. Nice brush. It's very flexible. Okay. And what are we on now? Door number 10. Looks like we've got another brow product. And it is the tiniest thing ever. So this is GimMe Brow, and I've heard of this product before, and by all accounts it's really good. Let's see if this just has a colour. Yes, it does, and the brush is so tiny. So I look forward to trying that. Okay, door number 11 is another mascara. No, what the hell is this? Oh, this is an eyeliner. Not heard of this one myself. It's got a very nice point and it just literally glides on. Very good. And finally, door number 12. This is Tinted primer. Are these for your lashes? I'm assuming they're for your lashes. I think they're for your lashes, like a, I suppose you could say it's like a brown mascara. Okay, so that was the final product. My thoughts on this, is it worth £58? Absolutely not. No way, Jose. The selection of products we've got, I'm really disappointed with. I do appreciate we've got some eye products here. Eyebrow products. Do we need 4? I'm not sure. Do we need 3 mascaras? No. 2 Pore Professionals? No. And an eyeliner. I would have liked to have seen a little bit more in terms of eyeshadow or some sort of makeup, so we could get a full face of makeup from this advent calendar. There's no lipsticks. I would have really wanted some sort of lipstick. I just don't feel there's a need to put you know, 3. Now I get, you know, this is like a publicity stunt as well to get you to try their probably expensive items that everyone raves about, to get you to try it, so then you go ahead and buy the stuff. So I get that most of this is probably going to be their top sellers. However, to get me to buy anything from them, I want to be able to say that the advent calendar is actually worth the money. Now, how they get to the conclusion this has a value of £125.02, I do not know. I bought Benefit stuff before, and I can assure you it did not come to £125. In fact, I've got a video that I'm going to upload very shortly, and you'll see my little haul that I brought, and it didn't come to anywhere close to that. So I am very disappointed with this advent calendar. Would I purchase it again next year? Absolutely not. Okay, so that is it. Please tell me your thoughts down below. Do you think I'm being a little bit critical? Thing is, with me, I'm quite honest and I say it how it is, and I don't feel this is worth the money. Don't forget to please check out the giveaway. I'll leave the link down below for the video. And also, if you like these kind of videos, however, this was quite a negative one, but they're not usually that negative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Till we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye for now. Ta-da, bye.